Can you tell me the name of these letters?
D A N S X Z J L H T Y E C O M R P W K U G B F Q J V I.
Very good. Can you tell me the name of these letters here?
D A N S X Z J L H T Y E C O M R P W K U G B F Q V I.
Look at these letters. Can you tell me the sound of each letter?
Da La Na Sa
You can skip the ones that you don't know.
Za Ja Ta Pa Ka Ma Ra Ka Ja Ba
Very good. Can you turn the page over? Can you identify each of these letter sounds for me?
E I A O U.
They have long and short sounds. You did the short sound. Can you make the long sound for each letter?
E I A O U.
Alright. There are real words and some made up words. Some of these are real words. Can you identify these words for me? If you don't know it, you can just say you don't know it and skip it. Okay?
Sip,
Mm-hmm.
mat,
Mm-hmm.
let, bun,
Mm-hmm.
hog,
Mm-hmm.
rut,
Mm-hmm.
fit,
Mm-hmm.
bat,
Mm-hmm.
hot, set,
Mm-hmm.
knot,
Mm-hmm.
sut,
Mm-hmm.
dit,
Mm-hmm.
hem,
Mm-hmm.
fat.
Very good. Can you say these words for me?
Stop,
Mm-hmm.
trap, quit, spell, plan.
Mm-hmm.
Silk,
Mm-hmm.
fast, sank,
Mm-hmm.
lump, held.
Mm-hmm.
Nask, dilt,
Mm-hmm.
qued, kang, dran.
Can you please turn the paper over? Very good. Can you say these words for me?
Wen, chop, thin, shut, wick, dodge, rash, ring, then match.
Mm-hmm.
Shid, sham, dath, fid, fudge.
Mm-hmm.
Harm,
Mm-hmm.
dirt, form, fern, surf. Warn,
Mm-hmm.
pert, bark, turn, bird. Nerm, cert, gorf, murd, carn.
Can you go to the long vowel spelling for me and call those words?
Tape, key, toe, paid, feet. Leap, boat, tie, ray, blow. Low, hind, beep, fame, soat.
Mm-hmm. Can you go to the next set?
View,
Mm-hmm.
down, moon, hawk, coin, cue, loud, cook, hot, toy, voot, real, fout, zoy, block. Neil, scent, type, ghost, wrist, giant, sweat, nat, bomb, sigh. Bice, nod, dim, tie, rep.
Can you please turn the page? Alright, I want you to read aloud down the first column of words. Each of these words are real words in this column and have two syllables. Point to the first column. Yes, this is the first column.
Unless,
Now I want you to read aloud the columns.
unless, compete, depend, zero, locate, stable, further, railways, consent, admire, radishes, menu, inhaled, dimple, bordered, roaring,
So now these are made up words and I want you to read them for me.
timber, rumpy, potted, groom, pencil, Markle, Darber, Fontoon.
Very good. Thank you very much.